Hey there! In today's video, I wanted to show you how the weapon system in my work-in-progress game Quick Switch works, and how you can design a similar system which you can use in your own projects. Also keep in mind that the code shown in this video will be in GDScript, Godot engine's own language, but this is applicable to nearly every other game engine, meaning the basic principles of this system. With that said, let's get into it. Before we actually get to coding, let's just think about why we need a weapon system and what we want from it. In my game, nearly every stat of a given weapon is randomized, so it was obvious that I needed to design something like this. However, in other games, where there are a set number of guns or loadouts, it might not be necessary, but I would still recommend it. It makes designing new weapons or changing already existing ones so much easier. The next step is to figure out what we want from our weapon system, or in other words, which stats we would like to define a weapon. This is very much game specific, so I cannot really give tips on these, however I can provide an example. In Quick Switch, each weapon has a unique fire rate, damage, range, durability, and bullet count, which is just how many bullets the gun shoots at once. In addition to these, every weapon has a chance to get a special power-up. So far, there are only two options, homing or healing, and of course homing makes the bullets home in onto enemies, while healing heals the player upon killing an enemy. The next step is to create a dictionary which contains the stats mentioned above. You can just set these values to 0, as this will be the player's active weapon. Then you can create several more dictionaries and set their values according to what kind of weapon you want that to be. For example, if you want a sniper, you can set a really long range, high damage but low fire rate, and so on. Next, whenever the player switches their weapon, set your current weapon dictionary to be equal to the desired gun's dictionary. Then whenever the fire button is pressed, you can set all the variables to the values defined in that dictionary. For example, set the fire delay timer equal to the fire rate value, the damage variable equal to the damage value. If you have weapons that shoot more than one bullet, put all of these in a for loop and make sure that it repeats the appropriate number of times and it shoots the appropriate number of bullets. Here it is also important to spread the bullets out, but how you do that is up to you to decide. And we're basically done. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. You can basically customize this system however you want, but creating balanced and fun weapons is still up to you. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and consider supporting me on Patreon. It helps a ton. Goodbye and take care.